Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Travel and Gadget Box. Today I am giving you the property tour of the Hans Coco Palms Puri. The last video which we uploaded was of the luxury suite, and I hope you have already checked out that video. In case if you have not done that, please go and check out the tour of the luxury suite. In the entrance they do have a large parking lot, as you can see. A lot of tourists travel by car from the nearby areas such as Bhubaneswar, and able to park the car inside the resort is definitely an added benefit. Now stay tuned to this video as we will tell you everything about Hans Coco Palm, and is it really worth the best hotel in Puri, and is it really worth spending the money in this resort. I have been visiting this place for the last 10 years, so be rest assured I will share everything with you which I know till date. Now if you have come this far with me and want to stick around for another couple of more seconds, why not click on the subscribe button. It will not cost you anything, but will definitely inspire me to create more and more content for you guys. So an honest appeal, please subscribe to this channel. Now this resort is located in the Balia Panda area, a little far from Sargodar, the main area of Puri. If you are a fan of the hustle, then you will not like this resort. Exactly outside the entrance you do have an auto stand from where you can get auto, who will charge you $100 to take you to Sargodwar. Also, you will not find any good restaurant near to this resort. The only option for you is to order from the restaurant of the resort, which is pretty expensive, but the quality of the food is good. Now this is the reception area, and I have been looking at this particular sculpture for the last 10 years. It has remained the same as it is. One of the USP is basically the balcony which is attached to the reception, and it gives you a very good view of the hotel along with the sea and the pool. Now you will see that the rooms are spread across the left and the right side of the reception, and from this particular balcony you can actually have a very good view of the pool. Now if you are taking a ground floor room, quite obvious you will not be able to have an ocean view room. The only view which will be available for you is basically the pool view. This is the restaurant of the resort. Now, not a big, area, but has got enough place to, sit over approximately 50 to 60 guests. Uh, in the morning, you get a free breakfast in this same area. They also have got a bar which is also, not that big, but, a fair enough bar, I would say. The prices of the bar are still on a very higher side, I would say. They have kept almost all the brands more or less. You can get whatever you want, from the Indian and the international spirits. Thing is that, while you're having your lunch or dinner or snacks, you can have a view of the greenery outside of the playground, as well as to an extent of the pool. The staff is very well behaved. The food quality is also excellent, but the prices are tad expensive, that I can tell you. And I told you earlier that there is no nearby restaurant, so quite obvious, you will have to fall back on this particular restaurant to have your lunch or dinner in case if you're not going out. Let's go and check out the pool area. But by the way, if you have been with me so far, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to create more and more content for you guys. So please click on the subscribe button. And not to forget, please do not forget to like, share and comment on the video as well. Let's go and check out the pool area, and I will also show you where they host all the weddings and other events as well. So, as I said, that the USP, the biggest USP of this particular resort is basically this pool. Now, I will show you a couple of areas, where things have grossly gone wrong. As you can see that, the stairs, you can clearly make out that, the chips are coming out, the tiles and the chips are coming out of, the pool, which absolutely doesn't look good. By the way, the rope which you saw just now, it's an indication that, that is the place where the pool is a 4 feet, and after that it goes down to 11 feet if I'm not mistaken at the other end. I will take you to the other end as well. Let's go to that side. So this is the other end, of the pool and, the ground. Now on this very specific side, you will also notice that the pool is around 4 feet deep at this particular location, and if you look at the borders of the swimming pool, you will realize that this property has no more maintenance happening. Very specifically, when you talk about the swimming pool, the lawn is maintained properly, where they hold all kinds of weddings and other celebrations. And you can see that, it's pretty dirty out here. This is the place where they generally serve across your drinks and other things. There's a little seating area out here, and I can show it to you just in a couple of seconds. You will be able to see some chairs whereby you can sit in the pool itself and enjoy your drink. But all those are rusted at the present moment, and you can clearly see the rust and what's the status of the floor of the swimming pool. Let's go and check out the baby swimming pool as well, because I wanted to show you that area as well, so that you can see how badly it is maintained at the present moment. One of the things which I also wanted to mention is that recently this particular area, Puri, we all know was hit by Amphan. Now, earlier the pool area was decorated in a fantastic way. In the evening, it used to be really very beautiful, considering the greenery around and the plants around. But with Amphan coming into the picture, all those have just gone. And the USP, the swimming pool doesn't look the same as it used to be earlier. It's not that beautiful. And then the maintenance of the pool, you can see it feels a little bit dirty. One, second is the tiles and all those things are coming out. That's definitely not good. And I do not know that when this will be corrected, and I don't think that in the next 1 or 2 years also they will be correcting all these things. And there is one more information which I definitely wanted to pass on to you guys, is that we will soon be looking at Taj in Puri as well, so stay tuned for that. Now see, in this area you can clearly see that all the tiles have come out. That's the baby swimming pool, where the expectation is that our kids are going to play around, but you can see that it has become all dirty. There are all black patches which are there around this particular place. See, you can clearly see those pretty black things out there. I don't know what the management is doing about it. Overall, I would say that this used to be one of the best properties, but now definitely it's deteriorating, and it's deteriorating day by day. With respect to the maintenance of the rooms, with respect to the room service, yes, there has been some serious degradations. If you talk about the staff behavior, it is really very good. In terms of the food, it is excellent. But the question whether you'd like to put in your money in this particular resort, well, my thoughts would be, because this property is not maintaining the biggest USP that they had, there's no point in spending money in this very specific resort. By the way, they charge around 8,000 bucks for the standard room, but they do not have a gym. So there are many things which needs to be checked upon. If you are looking for some kind of a destination wedding in Puri, this might be the place. But other than that, staying leisure, well, we will have to think of some other options. By the way, they do have a spa as well, where they provide various kinds of services. So this is basically the spa. I will not go inside. You can also see that's the back gate through which you can directly access the sea beach. This is right across the main road. So, and after that the sea beach starts. They do have a private sea beach where they do have a shack as well, where they do provide chairs for the guests. You do not have to pay for the chairs additionally when you visit the sea beach, and these are the chairs which are kept out there. So that's the property tour of Hans Coco Palm Puri, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and comment. Let us know what else you'd like us to cover, and we will be more than happy to help you.